Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to pay your legal and general insurance premium online. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to pay your legal and general insurance premium online, you can pay your LNG premium in three main ways. First is by email payment link, via Energy online account, and by phone payment. So the first method is by simply paying through Energy online. Simply head over and open up the browser, then on the search bar type in legal and general online. Then once the search user loads, tap on the first link associated with the legal and general. Then once inside the homepage of the LNG insurance, simply tap on the login option on the top, or you can tap on the bottom right here, and that will redirect you to the login page of the LNG. Now once you're inside the login page, all you gotta do is enter in your email address or user ID. And once that's done, you'll be prompted to enter the password. Simply enter in the password and then tap on login. And once logged into your account, what you need to do is simply select your policy from home, life, car, or etc. Then next is to find the option that says make payment, pay premium, or win it now. Once you find it, simply select it. Now once selected, you'll be prompted to choose the payment method. You can choose your payment method from debit card or credit card, and once you select the option, all you gotta do is enter in your card details, and lastly follow the on-screen prompts and then simply complete the payment. And once the payment has been completed, you will get an email to confirm notification. You can also pay for insurance over the phone as well by simply calling the legal and general support. You can use the phone number on your policy document or on the official website as well, and tell them you want to pay your insurance premium. Then they'll ask for your name, policy number, card details, and they process the payment, and after that you will receive a confirmation email or SMS. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.